Are you tired of dealing with the cables every time you sit down to use the laptop? I am. I built this dock to help me avoid the hassle. Simply drop it in, and my MacBook Pro 13-inch instantly gained access to power, both monitors, 3 USB ports, as well as audio outputs, thanks to 2 Type-C hubs and a DAC. The main challenge of this build is to precisely fit and secure 2 Type-C ports at the same time, which you will see later in the video. There are 2 HDMI ports from both hubs for video and the DAC in the middle, which stands for Digital Analog Converter, is powered by the white micro USB cable. This DAC can provide signal to 3 audio ports simultaneously. The line out is always connected to the desktop stereo that I will reveal later. The headphone jack is connected to my headphones for private listening. There is also a coaxial digital output that is not used yet. I may consider connecting it to my Yamaha receiver in the future to improve audio quality. Do you recognize my speakers? It is an iPod Hi-Fi. It was released in 2006. Not many people know about this product. The line out of that DAC I just showed is connected to the aux input of this speaker. It's quite heavy and substantial. Fantastic build quality with only 2 buttons on the top. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to do an in-depth review of this Apple product. It can run on 6D batteries. I created a battery insert so it can also be powered by 2 lithium-ion battery size 18650. I bought a Type-C power bank with the DP capability, and I found it very interesting that I can run the computer and power the entire dock off this one power bank. I have another larger solar charged battery power bank that can provide AC power to the monitors, so I can be doing this off the grid. That's another interesting project next year. As you can see here, the battery is fully charged in the MacBook, and it's only consuming about 4.21 watts thanks to the closed lid, and there's no screen to power. So I guess the battery bank is just only supplying less than 5 watts of power. It should last a very long time. Of course, normally I wouldn't do it, but it's useful during a power outage. I cut a 45-degree angle and sanded round to help the laptop slides in better. Here I just want to give you a quick overview of how it works under the hood. But it actually took me a very long time to get an exact fit. Finally, hot glue is used to keep them in place.